In this lesson, we will learn something about REPL and what is it inside the Node.js. So REPL stands for Read-Eval-Print Loop and is interactive programming environment that reads input, evaluates it as JavaScript code, prints the results, and then loops back to the next input. The Node.js REPL is a convenient way where we can quickly test JavaScript code snippets, experiment with the new ideas, or debug our code. To run the REPL, you just need to open your terminal. And to open your terminal inside the Visual Studio Code, you should go to Terminal, New Terminal, or use the shortcut that you've got over here. Then press wait a second, and over here, your terminal should be ready to go. And to create and open our REPL formatter, we should just type node without any other arguments and press enter. And right there, you see our prompt indicated that the REPL is ready to accept our JavaScript code. And right now we can, for example, console log hello, and as you can see, we've got something in return. Of course, you can assign the variables. So for example, we'll just call John. And right now, when we just console like no John, we've got John as a name assigned. Of course, if you would like to make some kind of statement, you can check if name equals John. Sorry, John. Close it, open. And as you can see, I can continue my code and I can just write down, yes, it is John over here. Close it, press enter. As you can see, my if statement checked and everything's worked as it should. So REPL will help you to test some kind of easy code snippets. If you would like to, you can just start and have fun with it whenever you would like to. Of course, if you remember, using JavaScript is the same way that we've got inside our console over here. So we can console log hello, and it works like the same way. And to be more precise and to finish everything about our REPL, how we can close it is very easy. We can make Ctrl+C. As you can see, you can just close it by clicking Ctrl+C twice. And that will be all for that brief introduction to the Node.js REPL. The REPL is quite handy tool for any Node.js developer, and it allows us to quickly test the experiment with some code without need for a full application setup. And it will be all for that lesson, and see you at the next one.